Hey guys, so I just want to give you a closer look at the app that is connected to these 4 cameras. This camera is inside and I'm just testing it out. The other 3 are outdoors. So when I open the app, you can see a quick screen of all 4 cameras. Once I click it, it'll load up and you can see me right there on this camera talking. And we'll give it another second and it loads the other 3 cameras. And from here, you can select which camera that you want to control and just do a quick double tap on these and it will bring it into view. And from here you can use this as a dial on the bottom, so you can go up, down, left, or right and easily pan, tilt. You can go up quite a ways, down quite a ways. It really has a lot of reach to it, which is nice. And then you do have two-way audio. If you hit that little microphone icon, you can speak through the camera and the camera will emit your voice or the sound on the other end. And if you'd like, you can hit playback, and from here you can go through the times of the day and quickly see different events, and it will zoom in and play the event so you can see exactly what's going on. Here I am just carrying the camera outside, and I can scroll through up and forward to the next event and it quickly loads. Really nice interface here with this app. I'm a big fan of how the app works and how well it works. So overall, if you guys are looking for a super simple camera system for your home with no monthly fees associated, I would definitely check these cameras out. They're super nice quality too. So overall, definitely a go buy. I would highly recommend going with these. Super impressive.